As of early 2025, Ray-Ban, in collaboration with Meta, has made significant strides in the smart glasses market. Their latest offering, the Ray-Ban Stories 2.0, exemplifies the fusion of classic eyewear design with cutting-edge technology. Design and hardware enhancements. The Ray-Ban Stories 2.0 maintains the brand's iconic aesthetic while introducing several notable improvements. Sleeker frame. The updated design features a thinner and more streamlined frame. Enhancing comfort and WEA are a BALITY. Ultra HD camera system, upgraded from the previous dual 5MP lenses. The new Ultra HD cameras provide superior clarity for photos and videos. Extended battery life. Enhancements in battery efficiency ensure prolonged usage throughout the day without frequent recharging. Haptic feedback, integrated into the temples. Haptic feedback offers discrete notifications, allowing users to stay connected without constant visual alerts. Advanced software features. The software capabilities of the Ray-Ban Stories 2.0 have been significantly upgraded. AI-powered gesture recognition. Users can control various functions through intuitive hand gestures, facilitating hands-free operation. Augmented reality AR overlays. The glasses provide immersive AR experiences, including live navigation prompts and productivity tools that seamlessly integrate with daily activities. Privacy considerations. Addressing user concerns. Ray-Ban has implemented several privacy-focused features. On-device encryption ensures that user data is securely stored and processed within the device. Visible recording indicators. LED indicators are activated during camera use, transparently signaling when recording is in progress. The Ray-Ban Stories 2.0 positions itself uniquely in the wearable tech market by prioritizing both style and functionality. Unlike bulkier devices from competitors, Ray-Ban offers a fashion-forward approach that appeals to a broad audience. Looking ahead, the company plans to further integrate display screens into their smart glasses by the second half of 2025, aiming to show notifications and Responses from meters, virtual assistant.